Hi, welcome to this video looking at the numeracy 5 a day for the 24th of May, okay, and also the 24th of May Foundation 5 a day, okay, from the Corbett Maths website, okay. So this is fantastic revision for GCSE 9 to 1 Maths, okay, for your paper 2 and paper 3, okay, and even general revision for Maths, okay, for Key Stage 3 as well, okay. So as ever, feel free to pause the video, guys, try all the questions yourselves and then press play when you're ready. This is the first question. Draw a shape with one line of symmetry. Well, a semicircle, okay, has one line of symmetry, okay, which is just down the middle, okay. Another one could be a trapezium, okay. And again, down the middle, okay. That way it doesn't work because they're not the same, okay. So they are two shapes, okay. What type of angle is shown here? It's called a reflex angle, okay. So it's bigger than 180 and smaller than 360. Okay, this is question number 3, guys. A fair 6-sided dice is thrown. The probabilities of following events have been marked on a probability scale. A number less than 7 is thrown. Well, that's going to be certain. You've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And number 6 is thrown, so that's very unlikely. So B would go here. An odd number is thrown, well that's going to be 3/6 or a half, which goes there, okay, so A, B, C, okay, sorry about the colours, guys, hopefully you can read it. Okay, next question, work out the square root of 9, we should know that's equal to 3, okay, because 3 squared or 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Work out 14 squared, that just means 14 times 14, okay, and again I can use long multiplication to work it out, or you might already know what this is. The answer that I get, okay, because I know this one, is 196, okay. So 14 to the power of 2 means 14 times 14, okay? It does not mean 14 times 2, okay? So that's a very common misconception. It means 14 times itself, okay? 14 times 14. Okay, we are now looking at the Foundation 5 a day, okay, for the 24th of May. Okay, increase $6 by 5%. Again, I can do this one of two ways. I can work out 5% of $6, or I can do $6 times by 1.05. Okay, because I'm increasing it, so I'm going to times it by that, okay. So 10% will give me 60 cents or 60 cents, okay. 5% will give me 30 cents. So I add it on, I get $6.30, okay, when I work it out, okay. Okay. Next question, decrease 90 kilograms by 20%. So I'm going to do 90 multiplied by 0.8, okay. So hopefully you are happy with where I'm getting these decimal multipliers from. Okay, I'm essentially taking 20% off, which is the same as multiplying it by 0.8. 10% of 90 is 9. 20% is going to be 18. Take off 9 from 18. Okay, and I get 72 kilograms. Or I can just enter that in my calculator if it is a paper 2 or a paper 3, okay? But if it's a paper 1, then obviously I can't enter that yet, okay? What type of correlation is shown here? It's a negative correlation, okay? As one variable increases, the other one decreases, okay? Sorry about my handwriting, guys, but hopefully you can read it, okay? Next question, I've got a cube. Find the volume of the cube. Well, it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be 8. So it's 8 meters cubed, guys, okay? 2 times 2 times 2. So it's length times width times height for the volume of a cube, okay? Find the surface area of the cube. Well, it's the area of each face, or I can do a little shortcut method and recognize that each face has the same area. So 2 by 2 is 4. 4 times 6, because it has 6 faces, is 24 centimeters squared, okay? So I'd work out the area of each face and then add my answer together, or recognize that because each face is the same, each face is a square, it's a 2D square, so it's 2 by 2, so each face has an area of 4 meters squared. 4 times 6, okay, because there are 6 faces, or 6 times 4 is 24. 24 centimeters squared, guys. Okay, next question. Solve this linear equation. Okay, expanding the bracket, I get 8x, okay, plus 24 is equal to 120. Take off 124 from both sides, okay, and then divide by 8, okay, so taking off 24 from both sides, okay, I get 8x is equal to 96. Dividing both sides by 8, okay, I get 96 divided by 8, which is 12, guys, okay, or I can use the bus stop method to work it out, okay, because 10 times 8 is 80, plus 8 is 88, and then plus 8 again, so that makes it 12, okay, because 8 times 11 is 88, 8 times 12 is 96. Next question, guys. Orlando cycles at an average speed of 20 miles per hour. How far does he cycle in 3 hours? Okay, so it'd be 20 times 3, which is 60 miles. Okay, 3 hours. Okay, because if you say it as you read it, so average speed of 20 miles per hour, so every hour he's covering 20 miles, okay, so in 3 hours it will be 3 lots of 20, okay, or 3 times 20, or 20 times 3. Okay, Milo cycles at an average speed of 20 miles per hour. How far does he cycle in 45 minutes? So it's a fraction, this one. 45 minutes actually is 3/4 of an hour. So I'm essentially working out what 3/4 of 20 is, okay, because 45 out of 60, okay, there are 60 minutes in an hour, okay, that simplifies to 3/4, so 3/4 of 20, well, 20 divided by 4 is 5, times by 3 is 15, so in 45 minutes, Milo covers 15 miles, okay. And that makes sense because in 1 hour he covers 20 miles, so in 45 minutes you expect him to cover less than 20 miles, okay? So 45 minutes, we should know, guys, is 3/4 of an hour. 45 over 60, okay, because there are 60 minutes in an hour, okay? So he travels 20 miles in 60 minutes, so in 45 minutes he travels 15 miles, okay? To 20 divided by the denominator times by the numerator, okay, so a fraction of an amount, I divide by the bottom times by the top, or conversely, times by the top divided by the bottom, okay, either way will give you the same answer. Okay, 20 times 3 is 60, divided by 4 is 15, or 20 divided by 4 is 15, times by 3, okay? But this question is looking at a fraction of an amount, okay? So 3/4 of 20 is equal to 15. Okay, right guys, that's the end of today's short, sharp video. Okay, I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit that like button. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you're new. And lastly, please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your revision is going well. Okay, good luck for your remaining exams, and I'll see you hopefully for the next video. Okay, bye for now.